Hello guys, welcome to another lesson on how to trade cryptocurrency like a pro. And in this lesson we will be dealing with risk management. When you enter and see the market, as you stay in the cryptocurrency market, how do you manage your risk? How do you make sure you don't incur losses? How do you make sure your profits are more than your losses? We've already discussed risk, the type of risk you can have in cryptocurrency and how you can note them. I hope you still remember. If you don't, kindly go back to the previous lesson and watch them. Okay, which means I said here is that always have plan B. Okay, management one, always use your stop loss. The stop loss, when you use it in the market that is you are not so sure about, even if you are sure, use your stop loss. It will help you in reduction of your losses, to help you lose less than you could. Because when the price click your stop loss and your stop loss order is filled, when your stop loss order is executed, you can still buy lower than where you bought at the first price. And when you buy lower, it will cover up the amount or the money you've lost. That's the technique of buy low, sell low, buy back lower, sell low, buy back lower. And number two, don't trade or rely on low volume coins. When you see a coin that is just 20,000, 4,000, hundreds in volume, the trading on such coin will be too slow, and when it is too slow, it will not liquidate immediately, and before you know it, the price will be against you. You will think the price is still in your favor, not knowing the price has gone down, and you will not know. So my advice for you is to stay off low volume coins that are few thousands to hundreds, stay off. And when you have millions, when coins have million trading volume, I have millions of them in the trading volume, billions, even trillion. When you are trading such coin, the transactions, the buying and selling will be superb, they'll be fast. And when it's fast, you make your profit quickly and leave the market. Don't rely on low volume coins. Don't rely on low volume. I'm talking from experience. Don't rely on low volume coins. If you do, you may end up selling at a loss, because when such coin dips, when their price comes down, before it can pick up again, there are no when the number of people trading them are not much. So when the number of people trading buying are not even up to number of people selling it, it means you hold your position too long than usual. That's why you should still have low volume coins. And then number three, like I said, in the entry and exit of the market, stick with your desired percentage profit per day, and don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, my friend. Don't be greedy. Then make use of compound interest formula to calculate your profit in a long-term period. When you want to use this compound interest formula, you can go to thecalculatorsite.com. Just go search thecalculatorsite.com. Then you see various kind of calculators. Click on the compound interest formula. You can click on daily if you want to be calculating your interest daily. For example, you want to be making 2% daily. You can use that calculator to calculate it, and you want to trade for 30 days without removing anything from your money. You can use that calculator to calculate it, and then you see how much you make if you stick with your 2% profit daily. Don't forget, go to the calculator site. Don't mind the currency denomination. Even if it's in naira you have, just put the exact amount you have. Forget about the dollar or other currency signs there. don't forget to use compound interest formula to let you see the overview of how much you can make in a week, in a month, in 3 months when you are trading with a particular amount of money. And that is the formula I'm using for the 10,000 naira I'm trading with on a Nigerian local trading platform. I'm trading with 10,000 naira. I'm calculating 3.5% daily. I'm targeting 30 days. I want to see if I'll be able to turn that 10,000 naira to 28 or 25 or 30. So I'll give you the result at the end of the month, at the end of January 31st, 2021. Don't forget, stick with your percentage profit, your desired percentage profit, stick with it. But don't forget also that it should not always be sweet. It should not always be sweet. Then other ones are, don't trade with money. Don't borrow money to trade. Don't borrow anybody's money to trade. If you've been a victim of investment platform crashing, forex, cryptocurrency investment platform crashing, is because those people that are trading with your money, if they are really trading, when they are trading with your money, there won't be rest of mind for them. All they will be thinking and doing is to make sure the money do not go into loss. They want to make sure they don't lose that money. And when they think that much and when they are too careful, they will end up losing. And when they lose, there's nothing you can do than investments crash. That's why if you borrow anybody's money to trade, you won't enjoy trading. So don't borrow money for trading. Don't borrow money to trade. Even apart from trading, you can't borrow money for any kind of business. You grab me, don't borrow money to trade. Then the other one is do your own research before trading new coins. You may see people hyping new coins. When you are doing your own research, is this coin really valid? What are the trading volumes? What is the market cap? What is the issued value, issued price for that coin? When was it released? Who is the owner? What are the things you use the coin for? Is it really a token or a security? To know all this, all you have to do when you see a new coin, people shouting or hyping a new coin, go to coinmarket.com or CoinGecko. You go to any of the two websites, search for that coin, exact coin. If it's available, you can read info about it. If it's not available, you won't find, and you don't find the coin on any of those sites, just forget about it. Don't put your money into it. And then keep your login details secured. If you fail to do that, if you fail to keep your login details for someone that is greedy or doesn't like you, get in touch with it to get rid of your login detail, you may find out that before you wake up someday, your coin or your money is gone, which will be bad. So keep it safe. And then don't trade when you are angry. When your emotions are at extreme, when you are angry or too happy, don't trade. Make sure you are psychologically balanced when you are trading. Be balanced and focused to help you. Don't trade when you are angry. You may enter the market wrongly. And then if you be busy after placing your order, after your buy order is executed, make sure you use stop loss. If you be busy, make sure you use stop loss. So guys, that is it on risk management. Do your own research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And then one of the most important risk management is spread your portfolio. Spread your portfolio. By spreading your portfolio, I mean if you have 200,000 naira to trade, make sure you some percentage of that 200,000 is in Litecoin, some percentage is in Ethereum, and maybe others in other coin. Spread it out like that, such that if one coin is not picking, if the movement of one is slow, the other will surely go. Don't keep them in one, don't keep your eggs in one basket. So spread your portfolio. If you have issue with one, you can have issue with others. And then the other way you can also spread your portfolio is that have some coin in store. You may not choose to trade Bitcoin. Like me, I don't trade Bitcoin. All I have to do is keep my Bitcoin till whenever I want to sell it. I keep my Bitcoin. I have small bits of Bitcoin that I'm keeping. Keep your Bitcoin and don't use single exchange. The way you are using Binance, you can use Nuno. And if you still get a reasonable cryptocurrency exchange, you can use them. You don't have to keep all your monies or all the money you have in the cryptocurrency market in one exchange. The reason is if Binance has issue, you can always fall back on other exchange to continue your trading, because the people behind those things are human. So okay, Binance may decide, okay, they want to do maintenance on the app today. If they want to do maintenance, it means you won't be able to trade at that day. So you have to spread your portfolio and spread your exchanges. So that is it, guys. That is it about risk management. I hope you follow the management of your risk. Plan. When you plan properly, you make more profits than losses. See you in the next video.